بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أبناء وبناتي الأعزاء طلبة الصف الرابع الابتدائي لغات، ازيكم يا أبنائي؟ عاملين إيه؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير. النهاردة إن شاء الله هنحل إكزام نمبر 5 من المعاصر بوك نسخة 2025 ترم تاني. Number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, type of triangle whose side is 5 cm, 8 cm, 8 cm, we called it isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle because we have two sides equal in length. بختار letter A, isosceles triangle. 8 over 3 convert to mixed number. We have 8 over 3. Write 3 in numerator. 8 divided by 3 equal 2 and remainder 2. Because 2 times 3 equals 6, 6 plus 2 equal 8. Then 2 and 2 thirds, we called it a mixed number. The angle of measures is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, a measure greater than 90 and less than 180. We called it 120 degree. We called it an obtuse angle triangle. This name we called it ray. Ray. But line segment, this line segment, and this right angle, the shape right angle, and straight angle, straight line here, and this straight angle. Okay, so we must choose letter A. We called it ray. The two lines here are parallel. We called it parallel. We called it parallel. Never intersection. 2 over 5 equal x over 10, we can find the value of x. We know 5 times 2 equal 10, then 2 times 2 equal 4, then the value of x here equal 4. Next number, by using the opposite line plot, the number of children whose age is 10 years old, we have 2 plus 2 plus 1. The key here is us each x equal to children. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1 equal 5. And the number of children whose age 10 years old was 5. So the result will be letter B. What fraction of the circle a 1 degree angle would represent? 1 will be 360 over itself, because a number divided itself, it will be 1. Choose letter D. To compare between Marcus, ثاني and Nada in math, we can use double bar graph. To compare between 2 degrees of them, use like this double bar graph. Choose double bar graph. From the opposite line plot, how many persons run 3/5 kilometer? Okay, tell us x equal 1 person. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 person. خد بالك الكويشن ده غير اللي فات كانت الاكس عبارة عن 2 children، لا هنا الاكس عبارة عن 1 person. خلاص عشان ما تفكرش زي اللي فاتت، لازم تقرأ الكي الأول. Find the result 3 and 2 over 9 plus 2 and 1 over 9. We can write 9 in numerator and 3 plus 2 5. 2 plus 1 equal 3. And then we can simplify 3 divided by 3 1. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. The result will be 5 and 1 over 3. The opposite figure, AP space parallel, AP and PC parallel, AP and PC, we called it parallel. Understood? AP, where AB? AB and DC. Look at here, AD parallel to BC. He asked about AP parallel to DC. AB and DC parallel, we called it parallel. Okay, and AD perpendicular to DC. عايزك تكتب هنا AD perpendicular what or DC in the measure of angle between them equal 90. يبقى أنا هكتب هنا DC. Okay. Next question. Arrange the following fractions from least to greatest. We must start from left hand side. Okay. The least fraction here 1 over 10, 2 over 10, 4 over 10, and the last one will be 5 over 10. May I drink for liter of juice. Her sister drank 30 over 100 liter of the same juice. How much juice did they drink together? We can eat together 4 over 10 and 30 over 100. We can eat together, write 100 here, and 40 plus 30 equals 70. Then the result will be 70 over 100. You can simplify by divided by 10 numerator and numerator. It will be 7 over 10 later. Next question. Vera has 9 pounds. She gave her brother a third of the money. How much did she give her brother? Vera has 9 pounds and she gave her brother third from the number 9. She gave third of the money. Third of 9, it will be 3. Then she gave her brother 9 divided by 3 equals 3 pounds. Next question. The opposite figure, the name of the angle, we called it APC or CPA or B. We can call it B. The type of this angle, we called it acute angle. This angle, we called it angle. The type of this angle, acute. Okay? It was A and this question letter B, because acute angle, the measure here greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. We must know the type of this angle. Now I will give you another example like this. Okay? What about this angle? We can call it APC. The name of this angle, APC. The measure of this angle will be 90 degree. We called it right angle. We called it right angle. Okay, and what about this angle? The name of this angle, NML. NML. Okay, we called it obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. This angle we called it obtuse, because the measure of angle here greater than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree and less than 180. And what about this angle? We called it this angle. We called it straight angle. Straight angle. Okay. Straight angle. The measure of straight angle equal 180 degree. And we have zero angle also like this. This is zero angle because two rays congruent and the measure between them equals 0 degree. We called it zero angles. Then we have here straight angle and zero angle. The measure of straight angle equal 180. Okay.